What is going on YouTube? Today I am bringing to you an issue that I found with Lumafusion and the new iOS 18 beta for the iPhone, I think 10s and up. So if you did download this beta on your iPhone or iPad or any of the iPad OS, iOS data, any of that stuff, there is a problem with Lumafusion that I have discovered, and I'm going to show you what it is and the conclusion. So, if you can look, this footage, I shot this footage on my phone right now with the same camera. It should look just like this. There's no color correction to it. There's no nothing. It is just, this is what the footage should look like, okay? This is how it looks on Lumafusion. So if you look, you see how it looks like somebody has turned down the, I guess, contrast, and you can see into the shadows a lot. That's not correct, okay? Now, if we look at an iPhone that has not been updated to iOS 18, at this iPhone 6s footage, you can see the exact same footage put into Lumafusion on it looks normal, looks just like it does in this video. So, that being said, I did contact Lumafusion customer support to see what was up because I tried everything. I thought it was some setting or something that I didn't have right. So I went ahead and uninstalled the app, and that was a mistake, and they tell you not to do that, so I don't recommend doing that because it gets rid of everything that you've put into it. Luckily, it was just on my phone, so I didn't have a ton of stuff put into it already, but I did contact them, and they did say it is a bug with the iOS 18 beta update, and it will be fixed when the actual iOS 18 update comes out. So I just wanted to put that out there for anybody else having the same issue, because I have not seen a single video on YouTube talking about any of it. So if this helped you out, please leave a like down below. It helps me out. And leave a comment if you've been experiencing this same issue. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.